Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. This quote emphasizes the importance of risk management when investing. Buffett believes that preserving capital is crucial to long-term success, and that investors should always prioritize avoiding losses over chasing high returns. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. This quote highlights the difference between the price of a stock and its actual value. Buffett believes that investors should focus on buying stocks that are undervalued relative to their intrinsic worth, rather than simply chasing stocks that are popular or in the news. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. This quote underscores the importance of quality when investing. Buffett believes that it's better to invest in a great company with a solid business model and strong prospects for growth, even if it's not a bargain, than to buy a mediocre company just because it's cheap. In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine. This quote emphasizes the importance of taking a long-term view when investing. Buffett believes that market sentiment and short-term fluctuations can be unpredictable and irrational, but that over time, the true value of a company will be reflected in its stock price. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. This quote underscores the importance of doing your research and understanding the companies you invest in. Buffett believes that many investors take on unnecessary risk simply because they don't fully understand the companies they're investing in or the industries they operate in. In conclusion, these quotes by Warren Buffett highlight some of the key principles that have made him one of the most successful investors of all time. By prioritizing risk management, focusing on value and quality, taking a long-term view, and doing your research, you can become a more successful investor too. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This quote emphasizes the importance of patience in investing. Buffett believes that many investors are too focused on short-term gains and are unwilling to wait for their investments to grow over time. By taking a patient, long-term approach to investing, you can avoid making impulsive decisions that could harm your portfolio. It's not about being right or wrong, but about how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. This quote highlights the importance of risk management and balancing potential rewards with potential losses. Buffett believes that successful investing is not just about being right more often than you're wrong, but also about being disciplined and avoiding excessive risk. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. This quote emphasizes the importance of emotional discipline in investing. Buffett believes that successful investors need to have the ability to remain calm and rational even in the face of market volatility or unexpected events. This requires discipline, patience, and the ability to make decisions based on a sound investment strategy, rather than emotions. Our favorite holding period is forever. This quote highlights the importance of a long-term approach to investing. Buffett believes that the best way to maximize returns over time is to invest in high-quality companies with strong fundamentals and hold on to them for the long haul. This allows you to benefit from the growth and compounding of your investments over time. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. This quote emphasizes the importance of simplicity in investing. Buffett believes that successful investing is not about making complex or sophisticated moves, but rather about avoiding common mistakes and focusing on a few key principles, such as value investing, discipline, and patience. By avoiding mistakes and sticking to a simple, sound investment strategy, you can maximize your chances of long-term success. Price is what you pay, value is what you get, whether we're talking about stocks or stocks. This quote highlights the importance of evaluating investments based on their underlying value, rather than simply looking at their current market price. Buffett believes that focusing on the intrinsic value of an investment is key to successful investing, whether you're buying a stock or a pair of socks. You can't predict the future, but you can prepare for it. This quote emphasizes the importance of being prepared for unexpected events when investing. Buffett believes that while you can't predict the future with certainty, you can take steps to minimize your risk and be ready for whatever may come. This includes diversifying your portfolio, maintaining a long-term perspective, and avoiding excessive risk. Diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. This quote highlights the importance of diversification in investing. Buffett believes that diversifying your portfolio can help reduce your risk by spreading your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes. However, he also believes that excessive diversification can dilute your returns, and that it's important to focus on quality investments that you understand well. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. This quote emphasizes the importance of discipline and focus in investing. Buffett believes that successful investors need to have the discipline to say no to opportunities that don't align with their investment strategy or that carry too much risk. By focusing on a few key investments and saying no to distractions, you can maximize your chances of success. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. This quote emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking and investing for the future. Buffett believes that successful investing is about planting seeds today that will grow into fruitful trees in the future. By investing in high-quality companies with strong fundamentals, you can benefit from the compounding of your investments over time and build wealth for the long term.